How to copy a game on Roblox. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, in your device, go ahead and check on roblox.com, or if you have installed the Roblox application in your device, feel free to launch it as well. If you are using your Roblox website in a mobile browser, tap on the three-dot icon first and foremost and make sure that you have toggled on the desktop site. After in here at the very top of the search bar in your Roblox, go ahead and search for on copy locked. You will find various of edition of the games which you can directly copy and play within the Roblox. You can just select on any of these games that is suggested to you. For an example, if I select on the robot simulator, you need to navigate to the three-dot icon next to it. Once you tap on it, you will see this option Edit in Studio. You can click on this option. If you have not installed your Roblox Studio in your device, you will have to proceed and install the Roblox Studio first and foremost. After which you can go ahead and edit this game in your Roblox Studio as well as play it on your own. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.